In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's lecture, we are describing how to sign up Google Ads account. First of all, I request to you, if you not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and also like and share with other friends. So let's start. So first of all, search here Google Ads. Search here on Google Ad. So first of all, you can see here Google Ads, https://ads.google.com. Open this one, and you can see here, if you also created the Google Ads account, sign up your Google account, so then sign in here. If you don't know about how to sign up Google Ads account, so search on YouTube and check my video. Okay, yeah. Open my channel and then watch my video. So click here, sign in. If you have any question about this, so please do comment on this video. Mm, so they are taking time, for example 2 minutes, 1 minute, so depending on your internet. So this is my account. So first of all, if you add, so create here, create campaign conversion. So I click here campaign. So this is best video for you if you don't know about. So click here if you wanna create for sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand, app promotion, local store visitor, and also create a campaign without a code guidance.